Tired of sweating through the night because your air conditioning bill is completely terrifying? A good window fan can literally change your life, but buying the wrong one will just blow hot air right back in your face. I am going to walk you through exactly how these perform in the real world, from the motor strength down to how they actually fit inside a standard window frame. Stick around, because the #1 fan on this list surprised even me with a specific feature I genuinely did not know I needed until I used it. 6. Shinic Window Fan. It is a classic twin fan design that you have probably seen 100 times at your local hardware store. You get reversible functions, meaning you can pull fresh air in or push stale air out, depending on the time of day. It is designed to fit most standard windows using those typical accordion expanders on the sides. Testing it out in my guest room, it certainly moves air. Well, it moves air if you are sitting directly in front of the unit. The breeze is noticeable, and it definitely helps cool down a stuffy space when the sun finally goes down and the outside temperature drops. But here's where things get a bit tricky. The build quality feels, a little on the light side. When you try to extend those side panels to fit your specific window, they have this flimsy give to them. I found myself fighting with the plastic tracks just to get a secure seal against the window frame, which is honestly a bit frustrating when you just want to set it up quickly and go to sleep. Then there's the noise profile. I mean, it's not going to wake up the whole neighborhood, but the motors have this distinct, persistent hum. On the highest speed setting, the plastic casing actually rattles against the windowsill slightly. You end up having to wedge a piece of cardboard under it just to stop the vibration from driving you crazy. Number 5. Bionaire Window Fan with Reversible Airflow Blades. This one comes with a brand name you might easily recognize from walking down the home improvement aisles. It features straightforward manual controls and reversible airflow blades, aiming to be that reliable workhorse for your daily summer cooling needs. When I first turned it on, the airflow felt decently strong and capable. It does a very reasonable job of pulling the cool evening air inside your living space. The manual rotary switches give it a very tactile, old-school feel, which some people might actually prefer over digital buttons that can sometimes fail after a few years. However, spending a few nights with it revealed some notable quirks. The design just feels surprisingly dated compared to modern alternatives on the market. The mechanism to reverse the fans is totally manual. That means you have to physically take the entire fan out of the window, turn the whole unit around, and put it back into the frame just to change the airflow direction. That is honestly a huge pain if the temperature drops at 2 in the morning and you just want to exhaust some air without getting out of bed. Plus, the noise-to-wind ratio is a bit harsh. It is not just the soothing sound of wind, you actually hear the mechanical whine of the motor working a little too hard, making it tough for light sleepers to ignore during the night. Here's what matters with the Bionaire. It moves a good volume of air, but the lack of an electronic reverse function really holds it back from greatness. Number 4. Vornado TRANSOM Window Fan. This unit completely rethinks what a window fan is actually supposed to look like. It has a super low profile sitting horizontally low across the windowsill, which means you actually keep most of your outside view instead of staring at a wall of plastic. The airflow on this model is wildly different from the previous two. It does not just spin blades and hope for the best. Vornado uses their signature air circulation technology, and the resulting breeze feels incredibly directed. I turned it on in my living room, and I could feel the cooling effect all the way across the space. It is incredibly efficient at moving temperature throughout the whole room. Another massive positive is the weather resistance built right into the design. I left this installed during a surprise afternoon rain shower, and I did not have to panic. The way the outer enclosure seals up is genuinely impressive. You do not have to constantly remove it and store it every single time the dark clouds roll in. The controls are entirely touch-sensitive and look incredibly sleek on the front panel. I mean, it actually looks like a modern home appliance rather than a chunky, cheap box blocking your natural light. The transition from intake to exhaust is electronically controlled and happens seamlessly with a simple tap of your finger. Bottom line for the Vornado TRANSOM: it is noticeably quieter, it preserves your window view, and it circulates air beautifully. Number 3. Comfort Zone 3-Speed Reversible Twin Window Fan. This one might look like a very traditional twin fan, but it absolutely nails the execution of the basics. It comes with these fantastic auto-locking expanders that make the installation process ridiculously easy. That installation process is exactly where this fan won me over completely. I popped it right into the window frame, pulled the side panels out, and it locked perfectly into place on the first try. No massive gaps, no fighting with flimsy plastic tracks. It just sat there snug and secure, keeping the outside elements where they belong. The 3-speed settings are spaced out perfectly for different times of the day. The lowest setting is actually whisper quiet. I am a very light sleeper, and having this on low right next to my bed provided the perfect gentle breeze without any annoying motor hum to wake me up. It is just clean, quiet, continuous airflow. The exhaust function is also surprisingly powerful for its size. I accidentally smoked out my kitchen while cooking bacon one Sunday morning. I quickly flipped this fan to the exhaust setting, and it pulled that heavy smoke right out of the room in just a few short minutes. It completely saved my morning from turning into a disaster. Here is what matters. The Comfort Zone is just a reliable, hard-working unit that doesn't ask for much attention. It does exactly what it promises with absolutely zero fuss or frustration. 2. Beyond Breeze Window Fan. This unit brings a few incredibly clever features to the table that immediately bumped it up my rankings. The absolute biggest standout here is the factory-included bug screen. You know, there is literally nothing worse than cooling your room down, but accidentally inviting an entire army of mosquitoes inside. That built-in screen is a total game changer for summer nights. I left it running all night long with the lights on inside my room, and I did not have a single annoying bug issue to deal with. The independent motor control is a brilliant addition. You can actually set the left fan to pull cool, fresh air in, while the right fan pushes hot, stale air out simultaneously. This creates a genuine air exchange cycle that cools a hot, stuffy room down much faster than just blowing air in one single direction. It also feels incredibly solid when you hold it in your hands. The overall build quality gives you the confidence that it is going to last through multiple hot summers of heavy daily use. The expandable sides are rigid and hold their shape perfectly, ensuring a wonderfully tight seal against the window track. Let me explain why this sits firmly at number 2. It balances utility, price, and personal comfort perfectly. The dual-action airflow combined with the heavy-duty bug protection makes it one of the most versatile fans I have ever tested. It is an absolute powerhouse for keeping a room fresh and completely comfortable. Ken Brown Window Fan. Remember that specific feature I teased at the very beginning of the video? This incredible fan has a built-in digital thermostat. You literally just set your ideal room temperature right on the digital display, and the fan does all the heavy lifting. Waking up freezing cold in the middle of the night because the outside air dropped 10 degrees is completely over. It intelligently turns itself on and off to maintain exactly the comfort level you asked for. I mean, that smart feature alone is entirely worth the price of admission. It takes all the frustrating guesswork out of window cooling. Plus, it comes with a handy remote control. You can adjust the fan speed, reverse the airflow direction, or change the temperature setting without ever having to leave the comfort of your bed. The dual motors are remarkably quiet, and the bright digital display actually shuts off automatically after a few seconds, so it does not light up your dark bedroom while you are trying to sleep. They truly thought of every single little detail when putting this unit together. It feels much more like a smart home appliance than a basic fan. This is the absolute best way to cool a room without relying on heavy, expensive air conditioning. It is smart, genuinely powerful, and completely hassle-free from the moment you plug it in. If you want the absolute best sleep this summer, this is the exact fan you need sitting in your window. Final thought. That's all for today, folks.